Welcome to our YouTube channel, your gateway to the world of management sciences made simple. Whether you're a student, professional, or just curious about the fascinating world of management, you're in the right place. Join us on this knowledge journey. This material is from the book Total Quality Management. I'm here to explain Chapter 1, which is the introduction. Total Quality Management, TQM, is a strategy for achieving excellence in organizations. It involves changing management actions to transform the entire organization's culture. TQM emphasizes three key elements. Total refers to considering the whole, quality pertains to excellence, and management involves handling and directing. In essence, TQM is the art of managing to achieve excellence, guided by the golden rule of treating others as you wish to be treated. TQM is both a philosophy and a set of principles for continuous improvement. It incorporates quantitative methods and human resources to enhance all processes and meet customer needs. 6 fundamental concepts drive TQM. 1. Committed management leading the quality program. 2. Customer focus, including internal customers, and a focus on design quality. 3. Involvement and training of the entire workforce. 4. Continuous improvement in all processes. 5. Treating suppliers as partners with an emphasis on quality. 6. Establishing performance measures for processes. Management plays an active role in quality, setting goals, and participating in improvement efforts. Customer satisfaction is paramount, and TQM is an organization-wide effort requiring training and empowerment of all employees. Continuous improvement is pursued in various areas, and supplier relationships are collaborative. Performance measures are used to monitor quality improvement. TQM aims to deliver quality products and services, increasing productivity and lowering costs. This enhances competitiveness, ensuring profitability, growth, and job security. Implementing TQM involves a cultural shift, which may take time, with smaller organizations adapting more quickly than larger ones. Here are brief summaries of the key figures in total quality management, TQM. 1. Walter A. Shewhart. He pioneered control chart theory, which introduced control limits, assignable and chance causes of variation, and rational subgroups. Shewhart's work laid the foundation for quality control principles. 2. Ronald Fisher. Although not a traditional quality guru, Fisher made significant contributions to statistics, including design of experiments, DOE, and analysis of variance, ANOVA, which are vital tools in problem-solving and process improvement. 3. W. Edwards Deming. A protege of Shewhart, Deming taught statistical process control and quality to Japanese industry leaders in the 1950s, contributing to Japan's quality resurgence. He's known for his 14 points theory to improve quality, productivity, and competitiveness. 4. Joseph M. Juran. Juran stressed the importance of management commitment to quality and recommended ROI-based project improvements. He introduced the Juran Trilogy for quality management and authored the Quality Control Handbook. 5. Armand V. Feigenbaum. Feigenbaum emphasized total quality control as essential for productivity, market penetration, and competitive advantage. His principles included genuine management involvement and employee participation. 6. Kaoru Ishikawa. Ishikawa adapted total quality control for Japanese industries, developed the cause and effect diagram, and introduced the concept of quality circles for solving quality problems. 7. Philip B. Crosby. Crosby's book, Quality is Free, emphasized doing things right the first time to reduce the costs of detecting and correcting nonconformities. He proposed 4 absolutes of quality management. 8. Junichi Taguchi. Taguchi introduced the loss function concept, emphasizing robust design of parameters and tolerances to minimize variation and improve quality. His work includes the use of signal-to-noise ratios and traditional design of experiments. These quality experts made significant contributions to the field of TQM, each with their unique principles and methodologies. The history of quality control has evolved over the years. 1. Middle Ages. Quality control during this period was primarily enforced through long periods of training by guilds. This training instilled a sense of pride in workers for the quality of their products. 2. Industrial Revolution. The concept of specialization of labor emerged, leading to workers producing only a portion of a product. This specialization resulted in a decline in workmanship, as products became less complicated and cost-effective. 3. 1920s. W.A. Schuhart of Bell. Telephone laboratories developed the first statistical chart for controlling product variables, marking the beginning of statistical quality control. H.F. Dodge and H.G. Romig also introduced acceptance sampling as an alternative to 100% inspection. 4. 1942. Recognition of the value of statistical quality control grew, but U.S. managers initially failed to fully embrace it. 5. 1946. The American Society for Quality Control, now known as the American Society for Quality, or ASQ, was founded. ASQ played a significant role in promoting quality through publications, conferences, and training. 6. 1950. W. Edwards Deming gave lectures on statistical methods and quality responsibility to Japanese engineers and CEOs, contributing to Japan's quality resurgence. Joseph M. Juran also emphasized management's role in achieving quality during his trip to Japan in 1954. 7. 1960. Quality control circles were formed in Japan, where Japanese workers learned and applied simple statistical techniques for quality improvement. 8. Late 1970s, 1980s. U.S. managers began making trips to Japan to learn about Japanese quality practices. A quality renaissance started in the U.S., with the concepts of total quality management, TQM, gaining prominence. 9. Late 1980s. The automotive industry began emphasizing statistical process control, SPC, with suppliers required to implement these techniques. The Malcolm Baldrige National Quality Award was established to measure TQM efforts. Junichi Taguchi introduced parameter and tolerance design concepts, reviving the use of design of experiments, DOE. 10. 1990s. The emphasis on quality continued in the auto industry, with the Saturn automobile ranking first in customer satisfaction in 1996. ISO 9000 became the global model for quality management systems, while ISO 14000 served as the model for environmental management systems. Obstacles to the successful implementation of total quality management, TQM, include 1. Lack of management. Commitment. To succeed, TQM requires substantial management commitment in terms of time and resources. The purpose of TQM must be clearly and consistently communicated to all personnel. 2. Inability to change. Organizational culture. Changing an organization's culture is challenging and can take up to 5 years. People naturally resist change, so management must understand the basics of change, including the fact that people change when they want to and when their needs are met. 3. Improper planning. All members of the organization should be involved in developing the TQM implementation plan with open two-way communication of ideas. Customer satisfaction should be the primary goal, with a focus on quality. 4. Lack of continuous training and education. Training and education should be ongoing for all employees. Senior management should lead the training on TQM principles, and informal training should involve regular communication about the TQM effort. 5. Incompatible organizational structure and isolated individuals and departments. Differences between departments and individuals can hinder implementation. The use of multifunctional teams can help break down barriers, and restructuring may be necessary to make the organization more responsive to customer needs. 6. Ineffective measurement techniques and lack of access to data and results. Key organizational characteristics should be measured, and data should be readily accessible for effective decision-making. 7. Neglecting internal and external customers. Organizations should understand the changing needs and expectations of their customers. Effective feedback mechanisms are needed to gather data for decision-making. 8. Inadequate use of empowerment and teamwork. Teams should receive proper training and have facilitators, especially in the beginning. Team recommendations should be followed whenever possible, and individuals should be empowered to make decisions affecting their processes or customer satisfaction. 9. Failure to continually improve. Continuous improvement is essential for long-term success. Organizations should not become complacent, even if they are initially successful with TQM. Continuous improvement is necessary to stay competitive and adapt to changing circumstances. These obstacles highlight the challenges. Thanks.